talk about some numbers and go over what it actually costs me to RV on a regular basis. What I did this month is I took a look at a full month out on the road for me, and that is September. And I broke down all of the numbers and kind of grouped them to come up with what I was spending for the month. Hey everybody, David aka RV Jedeye, and welcome to Semi Full-Time, the story of how I lost my job, sold my house, had to search for a new job, and moved into my RV living full-time, or at least semi-full-time, until another opportunity comes down the road. I want to say thank you so much for watching this so far. Hey, special shout out to Camo Dave, who brought up this channel on his channel on YouTube. You can find him there. He does RV news, things like that, and it was really cool to get a mention from him. So I just want to say thank you very much. So in this episode, we're going to talk a little bit about what it's like when I come off of the road. A little while back, I had an opportunity, a second job interview, and so I had to come back to Tallahassee. It was also an opportunity to go visit my daughter in Denver, so I combined the two visits to make one big one. So what that meant for me is leaving a state park pretty much like this and coming back to Tallahassee to do something that I wasn't actually expecting. That's interview for a job in Tallahassee, and then to head out on the road and go to Denver for a couple of days to see my daughter. So here's a weird one for you. I am actually having to drive back home to Tallahassee and stay there for a couple of days because I'm going to visit my daughter. But I also have a job interview, guess where? Yep, back in Tallahassee. I'll fill you in more on that when I can. But I think, wouldn't it be ironic? You know, not like rain on your wedding day and all of that stuff, but wouldn't it be ironic after all of this if I ended up getting a job back in Tallahassee? Who knows? Life is funny. Okay, so I just got done with my interview. It went extremely well. This now has a wrinkle that I was not expecting. One of the things I always do when I have a wrinkle is talk to my parents. I know. Always listen to my dad and my mom, get their take. So I'm going to go do that now. So stay tuned. Just a reminder, if you like the content that you're seeing here on the video, make sure you click and subscribe, smash that bell notification, and that way it'll let you know whenever a new video comes out here on the RV Jedeye channel. So while I was out in Denver, got a chance to do a lot of great things. To explore the city. It is absolutely fantastic, and I can see why a lot of people like being in that area. While I was there, got a chance to check out a Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives stop, Sam's number 3. It was a great breakfast restaurant just down the street from the Aloft Hotel in the heart of downtown Denver. So that was really cool. I got a chance to go up to the state capitol, and you know, one of the cool things about the state capitol is right at the top on the stairs there's an actual marker that officially lets you know that you are a mile high, and that was pretty cool. I went there, took a picture there. Just in general, got a chance to spend some time in the area. on vacation and just checking out a protest, letting folks know that we got to take care of the environment. So many people, young and old, signs all over the place. It's a pretty cool thing to just kind of stumble upon. My daughter and I celebrated our birthdays. They're actually pretty close to each other, so that was fun. All in all, it was a great trip going there and coming back. So in the long run, the station that I interviewed for back in Tallahassee, things just didn't work out, couldn't get a contract together, and certainly wish them luck in their endeavors. But it's still out there looking for a job, and that's what I spend most of my days doing. Heading to Denver was a great experience as well. I guess one of the advantages of being semi-full-time right now, I got a chance to spend some time with my daughter, who I love so very much, and it was just great to see her. She's growing into quite a young lady, and I just am so happy for her. The search continues for a new job and whatever the new opportunity is going to be coming up here. I don't know what's going to happen, but still searching, still interviewing, and as it all unfolds, you're going to be with me. Remember, you can follow me all over social media at RV Jedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at rvjedeye.com. Don't forget, new videos for Semi Full-Time come out every Thursday right here on the YouTube channel, and then of course my regular videos of RVing and exploring, all of that, come out every Monday, also right here on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and hope you're having a great day.